Okay, so after it's set up, this is how it looks like. Well, of course, like this one should be put in the ground to make it more secure. This is just to demonstrate to you guys how it looks like. I haven't thought about where I'm gonna put this yet, but yeah, I think it does its job So this is the height that it goes. If you need it to be lower or need this one to be wider, you can actually take some segments from this part and put in the center, so it can become wider then this one becomes shorter so you can actually customize them based on your needs so yeah, this is how it looks like, and any question is gonna ask me. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this new Treillis system that I have. I'm gonna show you. So this system, right, they give you like 4 curved segments, but in theory you can just extend this center segment to be longer if you want it. Then they got give you like the straight segments. They got give you a few. I will name them in the product page itself how many you actually get, so you can actually customize it based on what your needs. So for example, like this one, if you feel that this is too short, you can extend it with the straight ones. So 2 curve, 1 or 2 straight or 3 straight, then another 2 curve. Then you get like an arch like that. Then the bottom, like this part, you actually raise it up using the straight ones. Yeah. So like this one, you just raise it up like this. Then it becomes taller and taller based on how many segments you put in . So the more segments you put in, then the more taller it's gonna be . As for how it gets assembled, I'm gonna do a demonstration for you. So you can see like there's some holes here. See, there's like holes here. So you get like this bit where it looks like it's like a ladder. It looks like a ladder a little bit. So like see here, it's actually a female hole. So you're gonna put the when you see like this part, when you see this part where there's no holes, that means it's the part where it needs to go into the ground. So you need to look for the part where there's a hole. Example like here. So this example like this part where there's a hole. Yeah, I don't know why I go for no hole this one. Okay, never mind. Show you another one. This one I put wrong already. Okay, so this part, you see, there's a hole, right? Okay. So now you get this one that has no hole. You put it in. But of course, like before you put it in, you already assemble like 2 together at this. So you put like this. You put the screw inside here, and then here you just screw in. Okay. Okay. So you do like this already, right? Then you can actually like combine with another one. Okay, so this is the other one. I put another one. Okay, so now it's the one straight unit ready. Then I put with just now that one. So you see, combine them, put them together like this. So I put. Okay, so you see like here, I just screw it in. Just screw it in. So you get one segment like this already . So this will be the straight part where it goes from the ground to the top. So yeah, this is a rough idea how it works. But of course you don't have to follow like this pattern that is prescribed. You can customize it based on your needs. You can actually also combine like, how to say, let's say like here, I put already this, but here I don't put here. I put, like example I say, and example like I want to combine these two together into like a fence kind of thing. So I can actually like have this here, and then another one here, and then there's one in between here that connects these both together. Maybe I show you how it's visualized. So like you put here like this, then together will be here. The in between will be this one that combines them both. Then it becomes a fence. This is also possible. It's based on like how you want to do it. Like, you can buy as many sets as you need. Then you combine them to construct a trellis that you need. So yeah, these are the options that it provides. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. I will show the full product photo in the product page, but this video is just to show how it actually gets combined and what's the process it needs, like the screwing, the combining process and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks, see you guys next time, bye, God bless.